Hey everybody, welcome back to tutorial number 8 of the Mothership 3 Subversive Eyeshadow Palette. So I kind of want to play around with layering, so I think today I'm going to use the Night Creature and maybe put this one on top of it just to see. Maybe I want to do this first and then that on top. I really don't know. If I do, we'll see. We'll play around with it. Let me put on my eyeshadow primer. Let me go and get my eyelids ready and we'll get right into this tutorial. Alright, so eyes are prepped with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter eyeshadow primer. I think they are about the same, so we'll get into that later. But I think I'm actually going to start off with Divine Rose 2. And I'm actually going to dip into this part of the blush with the Pat McGrath blush brush and really begin to use that as out there. I have a vision, I have an idea, but we shall see how it all plays out. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with that. Just to kind of be more my definition and my crease, and I'm pretty sure you guys probably have an idea of what I'm going to do with the blush. Have it really drape into the look, into the cheeks. This brush is actually very loose, so when you actually are applying the blush, it's buildable and it gives a nice sweep of color. Plus the precision of actually putting on the blush with this blush brush is actually phenomenal. And I would actually use it as a powder brush for under the lids or for any powder that I may use. But I'm gonna go ahead and go like this. Oh, get that definition. Oh my gosh, it's just such a beautiful, warm kind of pink, which is just this area. I might need to buy another one of this. Perfect, so that is down. Clean that brush off. Now, going in with a liner brush, dipping into the Night Creature. And with this, I want drama. So we're slowly gonna start dipping in, or not dipping, building our wing. There we go. Just going to start building it in. I'm going in with a fluffy brush, dip it into the Night Creature, and just begin to create more of the outside of the wing as well. So I'm very curious as to how deep this will get. Oh, I swear, if Purple Rain was in this palette, that deep purple with the purple with the blue base, we'd be going places. We freaking be going places. Perfect. That's actually not bad. All right. I love the fact that it's more of a wash of color. As I poke my eye out, oh my gosh. Oh God. Perfect. Perfect. Let me go and do the other side and we will continue this tutorial. So this is where we are. God, look at that. That just looks so much more worse in camera. Where we are at with the Night Creature. This reminds me of the Purple Rain, but more toned down. Not so much of that blue base. Oh, this is beautiful. Like, oh. Now I'm going in with the Iridescent Pink. I'm actually going to go ahead, Iridescent Pink 003 or whatever. Put this down first. Oh my God. This is gorgeous. Getting that reflect, y'all. Putting it onto the brow bone. And from here, dipping into the rose gold one. And putting it, oh my god, this is so gorgeous. Really, y'all, this in person, ooh-wee. Y'all ain't ready for this. Dip back into that night creature. Really start buffing it out, blending it in. Oh. Like, this is just so much. My. Now from here, dip it into the extreme black. I have to. And really begin to create more of a smaller wing. Oh. Just to add a little bit of definition. And then going in with the fluffy brush. I don't know why the southern accent's starting to come out. Ooh-wee. But just add a little bit of that definition, y'all. Ooh, praise Jesus. Literally right in the corner. Keeping it right in the corner. Y'all wasn't ready, were you? Okay, this is really nice. Let me go do the other side and we'll continue. This is where we are at. This fulfills my rose gold dreams. It's like, oh God, I just feel like first day of spring, I'm blossoming. Like if there was a yellow maybe, ooh, now we're talking. Oh. Like y'all, if y'all have this palette, pull it out. Pull it out. This is just so reflective. So I mean, it just came out a lot better than I was expecting, that's all. So just went ahead and put on the Dark Star mascara. We're living. We're trifling. I do like this look. I really do like this look. And then with the blush combination I have in mind to go with this. Ciao. If you guys have this palette, pull it out. Like this is definitely not an everyday. I mean, sis. If you love to just make a statement, if you like to just say, hey, I'm here, in the most subtle way possible, like it just adds, oh my God, I'm just so, this is very beautiful. Like this is such like liquid gold. It's just such liquid gold. Because I think with the blush combination, I am going to go ahead and continue with the Divine Rose 2. And maybe slowly work in this, what is this one? Love Struck. With this eye look, I mean, we're going places. Like this in person, this does it. Let me go and do the rest of my face. I will be back. I don't know what I'm gonna do for lip either. I don't know if I want to keep the lip nude. I actually have her flesh number, oh, almost came out. Flesh number 3. I mean, with this eye, let me do the rest of my face. So here is the final look, I mean, it's just all sorts of own. I saw a her. Like, it's just so immaculate. There she is. But it's just so, oh my god. Mind the bags under the eyes, but this is such a beautiful palette. I just really fell in love with this so much more by layering these two on. Yeah, I mean, what more can I truly say about this palette? It is such an edgy, editorial, you know, living in the moment, living on the edge, catwalk couture type of thing. Lips are the Supermodel with Pale Fire Nectar. Had to do it. And also for the highlights, I mean, it's a combination of these two. And blush is actually a combination of the Love Struck and Divine Rose 2. So definitely a combination of these two from the brow bone up into the whole cheek area. I mean, oh, it's giving me so much life right now. But if you guys like play around with this palette, this is what tutorial number 8. I definitely have a few more ideas that I want to do within this palette, but this is just so mind-blowing. I love this so much. Oh. And for bronzer, Fenty Beauty Islanding, still using that because I've lost a lot of my color since I'm moving here from Vegas. But this gives such a beautiful, almost like a neutral, warm type of glow. I'm not glow, but bronze to my skin. So it's not like powering compared to Caramel Cutie. Caramel Cutie would definitely add a little bit more structure to the face, which I'm not really looking for right now because I just want this. I mean, oh, the sun is starting to come in. It's starting to get hot up here. So, as usual, go to my Instagram page to see the final edit of this look. It is beautiful, it is bold, it is brassy, and my nose is starting to get really dry. But, for the most part, yeah, 8 looks so far. And I have a few more ideas I want to do. I mean, these Mothership palettes, you could really create some depth, as you could tell, especially with the Divine Rose 1. We definitely really played around different textures, layering from everyday to kind of like a matte moment. The last tutorial I did, which was really beautiful, by the way. I really did dig that a lot. Foundation, still light medium 11. Concealer, light medium 11. I mean, this foundation really is like skin. It definitely is just sitting on my skin, but making it a little bit more smooth. So, I hope you guys enjoy. More videos to come. More playing. Because I would love to do this with the Purple Rain. Ooh. Maybe I should do like a purple series from Pat McGrath. Oh. I might do that. I might do that. Enjoy your day, guys.